In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off the keyboard sound, the keyboard click when you're typing on your iPhone 13 and 13 mini. So as you can hear a small click here every time I click. If you don't want this to happen, you can switch the phone on silent mode by switching this side switch right here. But there's also another way. It's by going into the settings. And then you need to scroll down until you see sounds and haptics. This one here. Click on it. And then scroll down until you see keyboard clicks. You just need to uncheck it, so the button should not be green. And that's all. Now let me see. Exactly, there's no sound when you will be typing every keys. There won't be any clicks. I hope this was useful. Please subscribe, leave a like, and maybe even comment if this was useful.